Hello, children. Let's learn C-lettered words. Alphabet C-letter words. Let's start. C for cat. C for car. C for can. C for coat. C for cow. C for cry. C for cat. C for crow. C for chair. C for choir. C for champer. C for catch. C for cover. C for cut. C for cloud. C for carrot. C for cab. C for cake. C for camel. C for camera. C for cup. C for caterpillar. C for crab. C for clock. C for crackers. C for crown. C for coin. C for chain. C for chicken. C for coffee. C for cherry. C for computer. C for chocolate. C for candy. C for corn. C for curtain. C for clothes. C for candles. C for cookies. C for chili. C for coconut. C for cupcake. C for cauliflower. C for cabbage. C for cell phone. C for call. Thanks for watching.